Hi everyone, Jacob Jameson here, productivity consultant with Docugraphics, your Xerox agency here in Charleston, South Carolina. And today I'm going to put together a video tutorial to show you how to do booklet printing on any of your Xerox office machines. If you get a professional finisher, you can make really nice folded and stapled booklets, and there's some great advantages to doing it on a Xerox over the competitors. I'm going to show you that. And the first one is our global print driver. Our print driver really makes this almost a no-brainer how to make these booklets. So first thing I'm going to do is pull up the file that I want to print. This is black and white. It's about a 20-page booklet. Of course, you can make really great looking color booklets as well, but we're just going to keep it simple here. We're going to do Control P, and what you need to do here is access the global print driver. So you're going to want to click on Print Using System Dialog. And then we need to select the right one here. We have too many printers in the office. It's a 7830 that we're using. And click on Preferences. This is going to bring up the global print driver for Xerox. Now this print driver looks the same on all our office machines, and it makes it so easy. So we want to do a booklet. Now it's already on two-sided printing, great. All we need to do is go over here to Finishing Options and click on this little drop down, and we get booklet creation. Click on booklet creation, and this makes it pretty much a no-brainer. We can just print in a booklet layout that's flat. We can do it booklet that's folded, or we can do booklet fold and staple, which is going to fold them and put two staples on the spine. And you can do up to 15 pages for a total of a 60-page booklet. Now if you want to get a little advanced, you click on this little icon here and you can get some options and adjustments. Paper size, use the job setting or manual. You can choose a paper size from a drop down list. The only thing I've got loaded is 8.5 by 11 in there, so we're going to be doing 8.5 by 11 in landscape. And I'm just going to actually put it back on use job setting. But we could do 11 by 17 folded in half as well. Margins are standard. If you want to get advanced, you can adjust gutter and creep, or you can even do right to left reading order if you're printing in a foreign language. And if you need help on any of these settings, just click on this icon here, and as you can see in the background, a tab pops up with a link to the Xerox website that tells us what all of these settings mean. So we just click on OK. And page borders, I'm going to leave the page borders off, but you can have page borders on if you'd like, no matter which option you're using, and then click OK. That is it. As far as paper goes, if you want to choose by tray, you can say just pull it from tray 3, or you can choose by type. When you load your paper, you have to confirm what type of paper you're loading. So as long as you're telling the machine the correct paper when you load it, you should be able to just select by type, color, tray, whatever you want. But I'm just going to leave everything as is. Just make it a one-click thing, and OK. Let's go ahead and do 2 copies here and just click print. And then all we do is we're going to go over and watch it come out of the machine. Alright, now we've just sent a couple booklets to this Work Center 7830. It's the workhorse in our office fleet, and it's printing them out now. And what I want you to take note of down here, this is a real advantage in choosing Xerox. The finisher here, where the booklets are going to come out, if you look here on the bottom, you can see that it kind of just empties out into nothing, and there's actually a belt on there. And you'll see the booklets come out, and the belt will actually roll them out, and you could put a box under there and roll them into a box, or if you're running a really large job, you could just let them fall onto the floor and stack up. And that's really an advantage, because most of the competition out there, Canon, Kyocera, their finisher has a stop on the end of it, so you print 10 or 20 booklets, you've got to go unload them off the finisher before you can print anymore. So this is really great because if you have a big job, you can simply press go and then lock up, turn the lights off, leave the office for the night. When you come in the next day, everything's going to be printed and stacked neatly in a box right there on the floor. So let's take our output out, see what we got. A couple of nice booklets folded on the spine, 2 staples, and that's it. I really hope this video has helped you. If you have any questions, give us a call at Docugraphics or post some comments on the video and check out our other Docugraphics tips.